April, I got a question for you.
All right.
You've been doing this a little while,
Mm-hmm.
got more than a few games.
Yeah.
I remember in Dallas, you had like 12 or 18 in a suitcase, but that was a while ago. And if you
Yeah.
had that many at that time, I can't even imagine today. So, what do you do? Like, let's think back to some of these games that you had for a while.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe they haven't got licensed. What do you do? Do you just shelve those and forget about it? Do you recycle them in? Do you just sort of give up on them and throw them away? Like, what do you do with those games?
Yeah. So you know what's unique, Ed, is that I'm still, even after all these years, meeting new companies. And so if there's a company that I meet that I feel like it fits, even though it's 4 or 5 years old, it's new to them. And if it fits them, I'm still going to pitch it. I will say that I think it's great to take something that's been shelved as you learn and grow and figure out like how can I make that better and then like revamp it and maybe add a twist. Maybe it needs a theme change. Maybe it needs a couple. Maybe it needs a facelift of a new mechanic or something. I don't know, but and then repitch it. You know what I mean? Like bring it back. So I often bring back old games and try to revamp them or retheme them. And even sometimes I'll pitch them just as they are, or maybe the video just needs to be redone, or something, because it's like way old in one of my first videos. And maybe that needs to be redone. And then I share that with companies because I think, I don't think anything's always off the table. I mean, we do have some of these bad ideas. Like you've seen some of my my bad ideas. But I think those are starts to something and they can maybe turn into something else or be revamped or like be like an influence or spark that can go further sometime. So I do think um they can be like taken out back off that back burner and like repitched.
I love it. That's a great
Yeah.
answer.
Yeah.
I'm
What
gonna
about you?
I mean, that's you've answered it. It's perfect. I'm gonna go get some of my old games and revamp them.
Revamp them. All
All
right.
right. Thanks.
Yeah.